Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to easily shorten long links using TinyURL. Have you ever wanted to share a link with your friends or on social media, but it's just way too long and messy? Well, that's where TinyURL comes to the rescue. It's a super handy tool that lets you take those lengthy links and turn them into something short and sweet. So here's how you do it. Step 1, open your web browser and go to the TinyURL website. You can simply search for tinyurl.com. Once you're on the TinyURL website, you'll see a box where you can paste your long link. So just copy the long link you want to shorten and then come back to TinyURL and then paste it into the box. For example, here I want to copy this link and then we will paste it here. So it's very long, so we will shorten that one using TinyURL. Now click this one, shorten URL, and in an instant TinyURL will work its magic and give you a compact and manageable link that redirects to the original long URL. You can now copy this shortened link and share it with everyone else. So that's it. You now know how to use TinyURL to quickly transform those lengthy links into neat and tidy ones that are much easier to share. So thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to shorten long links using TinyURL. See you on my next video.